Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Canva website templates in 2024. Of course, Canva makes it very and super easy to create beautiful websites with their ready-made templates. All you need to do is just go and take those templates and publish them out and make some adjustments to it. So today we'll walk you through the steps to customize and also publish your sites. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to log in into your Canva accounts. To do so, go and open a browser. Well, for me, I'm here, I'm using Brave4. You can use this where you want. If it's your first time, of course, just go to the start section, just type canva as example.com. And as I said, if it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to a page like this. So click on login to log in into your account. As you can see, you can use Google, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft Cleaver, and or email, or work email, or mobile. So you can log in into your account, and the same will be for sign up. Of course, you can use one of those accounts, this 5 here, if you have one, if you have them. So you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. They will basically provide the information that you should enter by your own. Once you're logged in or you just created your account, you should find yourself normally in here. So once you are here, it's time basically to create our website. So just go to the top right corner option, create design, click on it, and basically just type websites. Once you type a website, you'll find this, click on it, and here you will find yourself here. So as you can see, in this list panel, you have endless amount of templates that you can use in Canva for your website. Make sure just to avoid the pro ones. So as example, this one, you will not be able to use it unless you upgrade into a better plan, which is a pro plan. But otherwise, other than that, you'll be able to use the free ones, like maybe this one. So, for example, I want to use this template. As you can see, this template has those 6 pages, so you can add them all. As example, you can click on apply all 6 pages, and it will be added all of them. Or you can simply just click on the plus button and add whatever you want specifically. Or, as example, maybe you add them already. So maybe I don't like this page, so I'll just go here and click on it and delete this page. Okay, so I don't want to like delete just this, so I'll just go and click on it, sorry, and go to this list panel, click on delete page right here. As you can see, the page is deleted. Maybe I'll delete this as well. As example, I'll delete maybe this as well. Yeah, I'll just let it like that. 3 pages like websites, as simple as that. Now, you can start customizing your websites. Once you choose the template this once, of course, you are not like forced to use just the template. You can simply from here go and choose maybe this template. And I like this page specifically from that template. I can simply just go and click on this plus button and not replace, of course, make sure to choose add a new page. And this will be added as a new page in here. As you can see, it's a video. Of course, since it's a video, if you click on preview as an example, so let me just wait for this insert load. So since it's a video, like buttons will not be working. Just keep that in mind. This is how Canva websites works. Basically, it's just you publish your websites, but it's gonna be normally pictures or just like videos. So yeah, there's animations, but just animations of a video. Of course, if you go in here, you'll be able to change some stuff. As example, like this one, and here and the email example, maybe you can put your email. So maybe I'll just put here my email. So in case people wanted to contact me or something like that, as example, just put here at gmail.com. Maybe here, as example, you'd like to put your number or your phone number. Sorry, I relocated that. So I'll just go and select all of it. And maybe as example, yeah, I'll just go here and select that. And other than that, of course, maybe I'd like this socials example. So if we click on this specifically, so find just in group and etc. Yeah, let me just go and get this back. But I want when people click on it, and I want them to be taken to my socials. So I'll just first of all group it, click on it again, click on the 3 dots, and as example here, I would like to click on the link. Here, I would like, of course, because it's Instagram, I'll have to go. Normally, you don't have to do that by your own. You just go to your Instagram profile, as example. So this one, copy this, go back in here, go here, enter it right there, and click on done. Link added, as you can see. Now, if I click on preview, first of all, so let me just wait for the page to load. I can scroll down to the bottom. As you can see, my phone is changed, email changed, and this, as you can see, I can click on it. So if I click on it, I'll be taken to my Instagram page. So let me just close this. So this one, Of course, like all of them, like click on my Instagram page. Why? Because it's still grouped. I don't know why it's still grouped. Let me just wait for it. Yeah, I tried just to put. Yeah, as you can see, whenever I click, I find like an Instagram link. So maybe it's not getting in grouped. So for me, I'll just go here and like delete that. Yeah, I'll even delete. I want to leave like the circle. So I'll just go here and click on edit the link. I'll remove the link as example from this one. Sorry. I clicking instead of Control A, I clicked Control S. So here, yeah, I'll remove the link from this one. Okay, I forgot to click on done. Click on done, and it should be without a link anymore. Okay, I don't know why it's still like there's a link. So I want to delete the link. I don't want to have a link. So just here, delete everything. And yeah, where it should be taking me, I don't want it to take me into anywhere. So I don't want to put anything. Yeah, I'll just go and delete. Yeah, okay. It's fine. It's good to go now. Of course, you can put other like some buttons that can take you to other pages. Maybe you can first of all like put a navigation menu, or to add a navigation menu, you'll need to add titles for each page. So each page you'll need to give it, of course, a title. Make sure to add a title for each page, so navigation menu can be created as example. Of course, make sure to edit all of those links for specific links. So, example, this one should be x.com instead of Twitter, or this is like Twitter or X. Pinterest, here you can change this again. Facebook should be the same as example. So here should be like Facebook, and this should be like Pinterest. So like Pinterest. Of course, let's say as an example, I don't want to put in this Pinterest, or all this is like this. So in this one, I don't want to put this on X. I want it when I click on it to be taking me to the homepage. In the link, as you can see, you'll find here the page. An example, normally the first page is the homepage. Just click on it, click on done, click on preview. And as you can see, and if I scroll down here, if I click on it, they'll take me to my Instagram. If I click on that, they'll take me to my Pinterest. If I click on that, they'll take me to my Facebook. If I click on that, they'll take me to the first page, as you can see. So it's up to you, as you can see, and the animation is still in here. So it's still a video. So everything is still here. Now you can simply just go and publish your website, click on publish, and make sure to publish it. Of course, if you want to know more about publishing, I've already show you how, but about like how to edit the settings, etc. So for me, I'll just go here and click on publish. For you can check the other video on how to publish it, and you can check from there whatever you want. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.